Hi guys, so today it's very hot here, it's summertime. So today me and my sister, we are going to show you our recipe on making a perfect, delicious mango and pineapple smoothie. So
let's start on this tropical breeze.
Okay, so you guys, let's start. So before we start on making the smoothie, we want to tell you guys what we used to make the smoothie. So what we used as the ingredients is that we used a half cup pineapple. So we're gonna cut the full pineapple into half and then putting that into a smoothie.
So we also need 1 mango and 8 ice cubes.
So for the 8 ice cubes, we're just gonna put it in the blender. And for the mango, we're gonna cut it as well into small pieces so we can put it in the blender to make the smoothie. Another thing I wanna tell you guys is that we need lemon, so we're gonna take juice, about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then putting it into the smoothie. We're also gonna need a tablespoon of sugar, like this, and also a pinch of salt. So that's all we need. Let's start making it. So guys, now we're gonna show you how to make the pineapple mango smoothie. So first, we want to put the lemon juice that I told you. We're gonna put it slowly here. Okay, now we put it. So now we need to start putting the fruits. So for the mango, we just cut the 1 mango and we're just gonna put it with the pineapple. Slowly gonna put it in the mango. Okay. We're loading the pineapple. We cut half the fruit. By the time I'm finished putting this, Priya, do you have any questions for me?
So how many ice cubes do you have to put?
Well, we have to put 8 ice cubes in total, so it could be in that refreshing and cool taste. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. You guys, now I put the fruits. So I wanna put a little, like a tiny pinch of salt, like here. Okay, done. That's all.
And then we have to put 1 tablespoon.
Not 1, 2 tablespoons. We have to put 2 tablespoons. Oh, it's okay, Bria. We all learn. 2 tablespoons like this of sugar. Okay. Another tablespoon, so it could have that sweet taste.
Careful.
Thank you. Now you want to put the ice in?
Yeah.
Okay. Just dump it in there. Come.
Okay.
I'm
so nervous.
Okay. Here, put it back. No problem. Okay, so now let's put it in there. And now you guys, let's blend it. So once we put everything into the blender, what do you think we're gonna do next?
We're gonna blend it?
Yes, that's correct. So now I'm gonna blend it, guys. For about 2 minutes. Just let it blend. You guys, it's still blending.
You have to blend it for 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's still blending. Yo.
It smells so good.
I know, right? Oh, my hand's vibrating, guys. Whoa.
So now it's blended and ready.
So now we're gonna refreshing and drink it. So I'm gonna lightly take it up. Take the cup out. I'm gonna put it here, guys. And now, look, I'm gonna pour it into glasses. 2 glasses.
It smells so good.
I know, right? We're gonna pour it. Oops, okay. Okay, now we're gonna pour it into the other one. Okay. Okay, that's a lot. So now, guys, we're gonna try to drink it. We're gonna drink it. So now we forgot, we also need the bendy straws. Okay. Priya,
Okay, so
you don't have to drink all of it. Just tell the fans what you guys think about the pineapple smoothie.
Okay.
Drink it. Here's your glass. Be careful. It's heavy.
It actually tastes good.
The nice sour lemon juice mixed in well with the fruits, and I don't know how to say it. Instead of drinking cool drinks and all that stuff, you guys can just make this home and it tastes just like that, but it tastes like a orange type of soda, but like more healthier.
A little sour.
Yeah, not that much sour. It's like very tasty and like fruity. So that's all, you guys. So you guys want to take a closer look? Here, come. Look closer. Look closer, you guys. Do you guys see it? So now, Priya, come, okay, put the glass away. If you want to drink it, you can drink more.
Okay.
Okay, so we're done. So thank you for watching our videos. So you guys want to hit the subscribe button, please. We are almost at 100 subscribers, guys. So please click the subscribe button. I appreciate all of you guys. I love you all, my fans. You guys are so supporting. Also, like my videos. We'll both be in videos together in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment any concerns, and bye.
Bye.